Capital Region lifestyle highlights Kitchen and Bath World. If you're planning a kitchen and bath remodel, your very first step should be the showroom at Kitchen and Bath World.
Our showroom is truly the highlight of your remodeling process. Yeah, when you come into the showroom, you're going to be in awe of all of the different options, number one. Number two is you're going to be relieved. You're going to be relieved that there is someone who is going to walk you through the process, listen to what your needs are, and put together a design plan for you beyond what you could have imagined. It's not just about looking at kitchens and baths, it's about helping people understand what's possible. You should expect to feel inspiration, to be able to get a sense for all the possibilities that are out there, things that you may not have imagined that you didn't know were available. Our showroom is so extensive that we have professional interior designers that come to Kitchen and Bath World as a destination to bring their customers to show them what the options are. So by bringing you into the showroom, we really can get to know what your taste and style is, what you're attracted to, really what you're drawn to essentially. By being able to physically be in the space and seeing how you react to it, really gives us an understanding of where you're looking to be and assure that your vision comes to life the way that you've always hoped and dreamed. With a history of more than 40 years, we have really honed the design build process in terms of remodeling. In the end, we are a full-service design build remodeling company with an incredible retail showroom, a team of talented award-winning designers, and a team of master craftsmen. If you're planning a kitchen and bath remodel, your very first step should be the showroom at Kitchen and Bath World.
Sponsored by Kitchen and Bath World.